What's the meaning of Boolean operator? Boolean operator. Boolean operator.
Boolean operator. Boolean operator. A Boolean operator is a term used in computer programming and search engines to describe words such as and, or, and not that are used to connect search terms together. These operators are used to refine search results by specifying the relationship between keywords. For example, the AND operator would return only results that contain both of the keywords entered, while the OR operator would return results containing either one or both keywords. The NOT operator would exclude any results that contain a specific keyword. With the use of Boolean operators, users can quickly and efficiently filter through large amounts of data to find the information they need.